तो कल ये क्या करेगा? कल को डज़ ही हैव अ फ्यूचर? डज़ शी हैव अ फ्यूचर?
He accepted me wholeheartedly.
Your love for becoming a woman was so strong.
Yes, people are changing.
They're just identifying as a female, and that qualifies them, that entitles them to now participate in female sports.
My body was a prison for me. I used to hate myself when I used to look at myself without clothes. I used to feel ashamed about my body.
Welcome back to yet another episode of Tea with Tanya. And today we have the very gorgeous, the very dynamic Samikhya Behera, also fondly known as Tia. Tia, welcome to our show. Thank you so much for being a part of
Hi,
this.
Tanya. Thank you for calling me.
So, Tia, as you are fondly known as Tia by all your friends and
Yes, that's
myself,
correct.
but Tia, tell us from the very beginning who Samikhya is, how Samikhya came to be, and what is the story behind all of this?
Okay. My birthplace is Cuttack. I'm a very much Odia person, and when I started knowing that I'm a human, it's in the age of 3 or 4, I realized that uh, I'm not like other kids. I'm little different. That my what my brother wears, though I look like a boy, male child, but there was a woman inside me, a girl inside me, which was always a very difficult situation for me to fight with myself. So I was not comfortable in my skin, and it was difficult. I don't remember when if you say that when a kid start talking, uh, the sentence and words are not clear. So my aunties and all these always says that I saw one fine morning I got up and said in Odia that I have seen a dream where I have long hair. एंड दैट टाइम आई डिडंट नो बिकॉज जैसे बोलते हैं बच्चों के तोतलाते हैं, तो तोतला के बोल रही थी. दैट मीन्स आई वॉज नॉट इवन 5 प्रॉपरली. So that time also I used to dream that I'm a woman. So it's I will say it was I was born as a trans woman, and yes, there was some restriction on me in my family that I can't go out, I can't be part of a family crowd or family function. So I always used to like wait for the afternoon, so that we Odia people have this habit of taking a nap in the afternoon. So so what happens, like when everybody sleeps, so I goes to upstairs. There is a room with full of saris and old dresses and all I used to wear and play, and by 3 or 4 I come downstairs and as nothing happened. So that was my childhood, and yes, there was a lot of restriction because so I can't walk like this, I can't look at people's face, I can't when I have to walk, I have my hand should be in my pockets so that it will not move. When I talk to people, I should look down so that my eyes will not roll as a woman. So yeah, it was a difficult time, but that was past.
And this is
And
present.
yeah,
And you're so gorgeous, if I may
thank you
add.
so much.
टिया, अभी जिस टाइम पे हम लोग हैं, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट योर स्ट्रगल, एंड जिस टाइम पे आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे पूरी दुनिया में इस पे इतनी चर्चा नहीं हो रही थी जितनी आज हो रही है.
That's correct.
तो now when although this may sound like right out of a first world country discussion, but I still want to ask you, जब आप सोशल मीडिया पे, टीवी चैनल्स पे जब आप ऐसे लोगों को बात करते हुए सुनते हैं दैट पीपल आर सम पीपल आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग थ्रू अ स्ट्रगल like yourself, but not all of them. Some people are just going with the flow, maybe for the hunger of attention. Do you also agree with that, that everybody who's out there singing a slogan that I identify as this or I identify as that might not actually be the real truth? And do you really think that this whole fight for an identity in your own skin, in your own soul, has somehow diluted down over the time?
Uh, no, I will not say that, people, because if I get you correctly, whenever somebody wants to raise his voice because of her identity or his identity, it is not easy to raise your voice in a society like us. It was when I was growing, it was a very small city, and being a transgender or a gay was a very difficult life that time. I remember I was taking an auto to go to my house when it was in Patia, and I said the auto fellow to stop, and he just said, "Okay, okay, I will drop you. I know where do you stay." I was like, "Okay, he must have dropped me someday." So, but he was crossed Jaidev Vihar and he was going straight. So I said, "Bhaiya, this is not the route. I don't go. This is not the route to my house." He said, "So you don't stay in Khandagiri?" I said, "No, I don't stay in Khandagiri." But he said, "But तुम लोग तो सब वहीं पे खड़े रहते हो रात को, वहीं पे करते हो." Then I realized this is not the place where I can breathe even, because people will generalize you with other people, and people will what because for me, if a man does anything wrong, a woman does anything wrong, the whole community, the whole world doesn't blame all the mans are bad or all the women's are bad. So when somebody is raising his voice regarding her identity, that means somewhere that person wants people to know what that person is. So without that, I don't think anybody will like raise voice just to gain attention. Yeah, yeah, if the person is not mentally ill.
Yeah, I mean the relevance to my question was with respect to कि अभी जैसे हम देख रहे हैं वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस सामने आ रहे हैं जहाँ पे अ वेरी फ्लरिशिंग मेल person all of a sudden goes for a sex change surgery and they become a female, और अभी तक जो एक मर्द बन के they were living a very average life, once they become a female, now they are flourishing in the, let's say, female sports, right? Now
Correct.
biology definitely demarcates between a boy and a girl, or a
Yeah,
man and a
yes,
woman.
that's
Your
yes.
bone density or a man's bone density can never be the same as a
Yes,
woman's
that's correct.
bone density of the same age.
That's correct. Uh-huh.
सो अगर एक लेट से 25 साल का लड़का ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जो कि अपने स्पोर्ट्स में अपने फील्ड में एवरेज परफॉर्म कर रहा था, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेक्स चेंज सर्जरी he is now identifying as a female, right? Or even not even sex change surgery, they're just identifying as a female, and that qualifies them, that entitles them to now participate in female sports.
Mhm.
Do you think that is fair to the women all over the world? I mean, because now they are competing against a biologically male, but who identifies as a female,
Himself as a
the
female,
female,
yes.
right?
It is somewhere I do not think it is right, because if you want to segregate a male and female, then make another group of people where you can say it's a trans woman or trans men. Make a group of people like this so that people can participate in that group instead of going to a big
Yeah.
participating as a female or a male, because I don't think a male should participate. And if I say that this person is doing just to uh, enter in the game or somewhere to achieve what the woman is achieving, so that's wrong. But what I will say, if a trans woman, suppose I was born as a male, and but my mindset, and I always thought like a woman, but I never liked the games which
Male played.
supposed to be played by men, like football. I really don't like it. I throughout my childhood, I played like with dolls, with doll houses, and yeah, it was very, very like very restricted in my house that you can't play this. They used to give me footballs, this archery thing, and all. I don't even know how to play all those things, and I feel these are very manly. I don't want to play. So yes, people, if people are doing that, that's really wrong, and that I will not support it.
Samikya, I have a question pertaining to your personal life, to your personality,
Yeah.
to be more specific. हम सबने देखा है that at some point of life हमने कुछ करना चाहा है, but people restrict us. And that kind of fills you with angst, then anger, frustration. You go through the 7 levels of hell, right?
Correct.
But when I look at you, and I've seen you multiple times, right? We've met in social settings. You chose not to become the person that you hate. When you were getting so much hate yourself, so much of restrictions and prohibitions yourself,
Hmm.
you could have come out, like very rebellious, very vengeful, full of spite and all of that, but you chose not to become like that. You're such a nice person to be with, right? and I mean, you're always kind to others,
Mm.
right? And is that true?
No, that's absolutely not very true. But yes, I'm a very short-tempered person. I get angry, and when I'm angry, I'm very furious. Like I break things, I say things which people will not accept, and but I try not to because for me, uh, I'm in a phase where people are trying to know a transgender, and if I show that this is how trans women are, the society will stop accepting them. So there's some responsibility on my shoulder to prove that my community is not bad. Yes, I have gone through a lot. Suppose in a day, in morning, you didn't get your morning tea, or your dress is not ironed, your sandals are not matching, and you are late, you didn't get your bus, or you don't have a vehicle to reach office. By the evening, you'll be very annoyed and very irritating person. Like if somebody will say, "Did you eat?"
You'll
and
want
you,
to bite
"तुमने
them.
दिया था?" So it will be like that. So the thing, when a child is like, "You can't do this," आप ऐसे नहीं चल सकते, you can't sit like this, आप you can't eat this, you can't do this, you can't use this color doesn't suit to a woman, a man, all this thing happens. And by the time that person is like, in 25, 26, that person is not a very calm person. So, and to understand, okay, this is what is happening, and this is what society is doing to me, my family is doing to me, and I should not behave like this. You have to have control on your emotions. Yes, I do get angry. I try. That's why I told all of my friends in my family, I said, whenever I'm get angry, please let me go. If I'm going out and sitting alone, please let me. I'll be like okay, and I'll come back and say, I'll talk to you by myself. You do not have to come to me. So try to restrict yourself, and for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, try to understand what went wrong. Because कभी कभी गुस्से में हम इतनी गंदी बात बोल जाते हैं, which बाद में हम खुद भी रिग्रेट करते हैं, which I don't want to regret and say sorry, because I'm a person who doesn't want to do any mistake. क्योंकि I'm a human, I will do mistake, but I do want to get into that place where I'm ashamed about myself, my behavior. So yeah, people after certain age, people understand, okay, this is where I'm lacking, so I have to cover it up. And yes, I'm a very short up, I'm a very straightforward person. So nowadays I learned how to be diplomatic and how to be ha ha ha. So because I'm working in a field where you have to listen to a lot of things, but uh, you can't directly say no. So I learned how to say indirectly no, so I can't do it.
But that was mighty nice of you to come out so honest. एंड आई पर्सनली फील कि जहाँ पे हमारे लिए, हम जैसे लोगों के लिए लड़ाई सिर्फ एक तरफा होती है, जहाँ पे हमें कुछ बनना होता है, वेर यू जस्ट फाइंडिंग योर प्लेस इन द सोसाइटी, एंड यू हैड the same war but double trouble,
Mm-hmm.
double complicated,
Correct,
because you were not
correct.
only fighting for your place in the society, you were also fighting for a place in your own
Yes,
existence, right?
correct.
So talking about again, that do you is there anything that you would like to go back in time and redo? We all have our regrets.
Yes, I just want to go back and my childhood, and mm, if I could have said to my father that yes, I'm a trans woman, I could have, you know, saved some life. I could have enjoyed my like my college time, my school times, and बहुत सारे ऐसे लड़कियों के ख्वाहिश होते हैं कि घूमूं फिरूं, आई शुड हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड जिसके साथ घूमूं, मतलब कुछ मतलब खट्टी-मीठी नोक-झोंक हो, व्हिच नेवर हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ। सो क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी आई बिकम मैच्योर, एंड आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ओके, दिस इज़ हाउ आई हैव टू बिहेव इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, व्हिच आई एम नॉट। सो I played as a character of male till 30 years. So it is not easy to act for 30 years. It's very difficult. So अगर कोई 30 साल तक कंटिन्यूस रोज एक्टिंग करेगा ना, वो एक्टिंग में माहिर हो जाएगा। ट्रस्ट मी। सो अभी आदत हो गया है, मतलब तकलीफ हो तो भी ठीक चलता है ये वो। पर हाँ, अगर मुझे मौका मिला, आई वुड हैव लाइक अगर वो बदलती, बिकॉज़ आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई हैव अ ड्रीम, आई हैड अ ड्रीम व्हेन आई आई वाज़ चाइल्ड कि मैं सोई हूँ एंड आई एम लाइक टर्निंग दिस साइड, आई एम बिकम अ वुमन एंड टर्न दिस साइड, आई एम अ मैन. सो
You have that choice.
yes, yes. So I was dreaming. So then at the end, I'm a man. Okay, I'm trying to turn to the right side, so that'll be woman. But I could not. I got up. सो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर शायद मैं राइट को टर्न करती, शायद मैं लड़की हो जाती. तो बचपन में ऐसे बहुत सारे ख्याल आते हैं कि कैसे, बिकॉज़ दैट टाइम आई डिडंट इवन नो हाउ टू बिकम अ वुमन. देयर इज़ समथिंग कॉल्ड सेक्स रीअसाइनमेंट सर्जरी, आई डिडंट नो. देयर इज़ अ हार्मोन थेरेपी. आई ऑलवेज़ यूज्ड टू प्रे लाइक हाउ डू आई डू दिस? हाउ डू बिक लाइक आई कैन बिकम अ वुमन? मतलब कब मैं, मतलब जैसे लड़की हूँ, जैसे कपड़े पहन सकती हूँ, कैसे होगा ये? लाइक क्या प्रे करने से होगा, क्या करने से होगा? आई ट्राइड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ इनसाइड माय हाउस, आई वाज़ नेवर अलाउड टू गो आउट इवन द सिटी. So when I went out to Bangalore, then I realized, okay, this thing can be done, and
But even
that
then, you might be scared, right?
I was not scared.
At all?
No,
What if
I
the
was not.
surgery didn't go well?
I'm like I'm scared to needles, but when it comes to become a woman, because it is like you will never get scared to come out of a prison, right? So my body was a prison for me. I used to hate myself when I used to look at myself without clothes. I used to feel ashamed about my body. I used to like, why do I'm like this? I don't want this body, because that was not me. I was just looking at somebody else. I was stuck in this place. It was सो मैंने डिसाइड किया था, इफ़ आई एम डाइंग ऑन माई सर्जरी बेड ऑल्सो आई एम ओके, बट आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ वुमन. सो मैंने बहुत सारे, मतलब मुझे इंजेक्शन के नाम से, जैसे स्कूल में मिलता था वो, तब इंजेक्शन देने आते थे, डिप्थीरिया ऐसा
वैक्सीन्स
कुछ
के लिए,
वैक्सीन
हाँ.
देते ना. तो मुझे, मैं स्कूल नहीं जाती थी, मुझे बुखार होता था, लिटरली मुझे बुखार हो जाता था, टेम्परेचर. मुझे नीडल से इतना क्या डरना. पर मैंने खड़े खड़े सुई चुभाई है, मतलब हफ्ते में 4 बार. मतलब इतना भीड़ होता तो केमिस्ट के पास, वो एक मतलब कंपाउंडर था वहाँ पे, तो वो बोलता था, दीदी मैं नहीं आ सकता, आप आके
कर लो, हाँ.
केमिस्ट शॉप में आ जाओ. तो हम केमिस्ट शॉप में जाते थे, क्योंकि वहाँ कैमरा लगा होता था, तो अपने फ्रिज के पीछे लेके जाता था. हम फ्रिज के पीछे खड़े हो के हमने सुई लगाई है.
The
तो
hormonal therapies you were
यस,
talking.
यस, व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू दैट. सो वो सब डर खत्म हो गया था ना, अभी डर नहीं लगता. अब लड़की होने के लिए कुछ भी करना पड़े, आई विल डू इट.
So, Samikya, when you were going through the hormonal therapy, you overcame your fear of needles. Your love for becoming a woman was so strong,
यस.
or let's say it was stronger than all your other fears, right? And I'm happy that you could overcome it. A lot of people I know would never do it. So, when you were going through hormonal therapy, Samikya, कभी ऐसा सेकंड थॉट मन में आया कि यार अब तो हाफ वे आ चुके हैं, अभी मतलब लग रहा है कि नहीं पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, शुड वी गो बैक, शुड वी कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड? नेवर?
नेवर, आई नेवर थॉट, बिकॉज़ मुझे पता था कि अभी भी कोई भी अगर मेरे फ्रेंड लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि लेज़र लेने से दर्द होगा ना, तो मैं उनको यही बोलती हूँ कि दर्द तो होगा, पर मर नहीं जाओगे. उसके लेज़र के बाद जब चेहरा इतना क्लीन हो जाएगा, लड़की जैसे लोग फिर. सो आई रिमेंबर कि मुझे सुंदर दिखना है, मुझे लड़की बनना है.
राइट.
तो उसके लिए कुछ भी दर्द हो, लाइक आई रिमेंबर, मैं पहले दिन सर्जरी के, डॉक्टर केम इन द इवनिंग, डॉक्टर सेड आप चले नहीं, आप सोए हो अभी तक. मैंने बोला नहीं, मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. बोला नहीं तो फिर खराब, सब कुछ खराब हो जाएगा, इतना सारा मेहनत किया, इतना सारा दवाई खाया, इतना सर्जरी किया, आप चल नहीं रहे हो. तो मैं उसी दर्द में उठ के अपनी कैथेटर का बॉटल पकड़ के, एक नर्स मेरे हाथ में पकड़ के, होल कॉरिडोर मैंने चली, और सेकेंड डे में 2 मंजिलें नीचे आके अपने घर पे आई. डॉक्टर बोला नो, यू हैव टू वॉक, यू हैव टू गो होम. सो आई केम एंड बस मुझे ये था कि मैं लड़की बन जाऊँ बस.
Samikya, when we talk about this gender identity in general terms, आम तौर पे जब लोगों को पूछा गया है कि would you support your kid if they come out of closet and they identify as a woman in a man's body or a man in a woman's body, आपकी सबसे बड़ी डर क्या है? सो बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसका जवाब ये दिया कि यू सी इफ आवर सन or if our daughter comes to us tomorrow and they tell us that I don't identify with the biological body I live in, right? Then आपके मन में सबसे पहला क्या खटका आता है कि अरे मेरा बच्चा अगर जो कह रहा है कर लेगा, तो कल ये क्या करेगा? कल को डज़ ही हैव अ फ्यूचर? डज़ शी हैव अ फ्यूचर? डू विल दे गेट अ जॉब? Will they have a secure future? By secure future, I mean marriage and the whole family system. But you got it all. You struggled hard. You worked really hard, right? And you had a job. You got married. You have a family of your own. But how come the society, and especially if I may say your family, is still not coming to terms with it?
See, every human is different, and I will not say that they are wrong in their place. Might be because if I look at my father-in-law, he's 76, 77, and my mother is somewhat around 70 around. So why my father-in-law can understand and he accepted me wholeheartedly, and the woman who gave birth,
To you, yes.
so she's not accepting. So every human is different. As you said that there are a few transgenders, they are very furious when they're angry and they talk bad, or there are very a lot of transgenders who doesn't talk all this thing and don't clap and all this. So every human is different. So in like suppose what happened, I have a school friend who just called me in 2019. I came back to Odessa, and we had a school get together. Then he called me after 2 3 months of that get together, and he said, I wanted to tell you something. I said, हाँ बोल. He said, मेरा बेटा ना तेरे जैसा है. तो मैंने बोला, मेरे जैसा मतलब गोलू मोलू हो के गोरा सा है? तो बोला कि हाँ वो तो है, पर वो जब भी बात करता है, जब चलता है, जब उठता है, बैठता है, जो भी हरकतें करता है, सब तेरे जैसा है। देन आई रियलाइज, आई सेड ओके। तो उसने बोला कि मैं अपनी बीवी को हमेशा बोलता था कि मेरा एक ऐसा फ्रेंड है मेरे बेटे की तरह। तो आई सेड आर यू अपसेट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस? आई सेड नो, आई एम हैप्पी। भगवान ने जो दिया मैं
So
उस
times
खुश
are
हूँ।
changing, right?
Yes, people are changing because getting married is a like next to impossible thing for a trans woman in our society. Because very rarely you find it. And I have an arranged marriage through shadi.com, and so people are definitely changing. Because when I got married, I didn't believe my husband. I said, no, you are just lying. Your father will definitely not accept me. I can't go to your place to meet your father. He said, no, you have to come. I said, if he says anything negative, I'll just walk out and I will not even turn back. I'll block you. He said, okay, you do that. So he was so confident, and I went to my father-in-law and he asked me about my surgery, because my voice is not exactly like a female, neither like a male. So he asked, is your voice is gonna change? Does hormone affect your voice? Do you need any specific changes in our house, in our toilets and all, after marriage and
Well,
all?
that
He
was very
asked me,
kind of
yes.
him.
Yeah, he said like I and even my father-in-law asked about like I need your documents so that when in my will I can put you also. He's a very nice hearted person, and my husband is guy आदमी है पूरा. He doesn't say anything. I was like, हाथी के 3 सींग होते हैं. He was like, definitely if my wife says then होगा पक्का. He is very. I will show you a video. I will share that video with you. He's like, I'm just asking him like which sari I should wear, and all my friends said, like, we know that you will not listen to your husband. I said, no, I will listen to my husband. I made this video. I said, okay, I'm making a video. You just tell me which sari I have to wear. I was like, okay, you tell me. And in the starting of the video, he's saying, okay, you tell me what I have to say. So I said, no, you say whatever you feel comfortable.
Your husband is every woman's dream. I don't know if you
आई
realize how
डिड
lucky
आई
you are.
लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि लाइक आपने पिछले जन्म में पक्का कुछ किया होगा अच्छा काम. आई थिंक मैं को साधु थी या फिर बहुत सारा दान पुण्य किया है, तो मुझे मतलब आई हैव अ गुड मतलब बचपन मतलब बहुत अच्छा था एज एन. यस, मैं अपनी आइडेंटिटी के लिए अपने साथ फैमिली के साथ सोसाइटी के साथ फाइट कर रही थी, पर गरीबी करके मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. बट हाँ, मिडल पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ 3 4 साल थोड़ा मतलब प्यार व्यार के चक्कर में पड़ के बहुत सारा गरीबी देखा हमने. तो बिकॉज transgenders are very vulnerable people. The moment they will get to know that okay, you are a transgender, you have money, you are earning, you are a very easy target for them. So yeah, sometimes we face
Why do
problem
you
because of
think
that.
people think that you're so easy to target?
Because
That
why I will say,
identity
we
crisis?
you can't you know transgender को वश में करने के लिए, what I will say, like you want to become a friend of a transgender, you have to give them love, might be artificial. They'll give everything you want,
But
whatever
isn't
they
that true
have.
for every other human?
No, 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 no. I don't think so. Because
Others
suppose
calculate.
why, yeah, when you don't have something from by birth, because बचपन से प्यार नहीं मिला, तो we are searching for love. तो कोई भी अगर प्यार से दो बोल बोल देना, I was like हाँ वो हमारा दिल के करीब है. तो ऐसे बहुत लोग लूटते हैं, बहुत लोग लूटते हैं. बाबू मुझे ये चाहिए, बाबू मुझे वो चाहिए, मेरे बाबू को ये चाहिए. तो डिब्बा डिब्बी वाला हो जाता है वो.
Right. So, Samikya, now that you have accomplished some parts of your life, be it a career, be it a family life, and all we could make out from all of this conversation is that you are very grateful and you deeply acknowledge your
Yes, I
in
am.
laws' part in your life and their part of acceptance to you. But does the past ever haunt?
Yes, I have. I got raped twice when I was in standard 3, and I got molested. When I was in standard 8, I got raped, and I was bitten all over my body. And I told in my family also, like, because it was a very patriarchal family. I could not say this to my father because मैं पापा से बात नहीं करती थी, बहुत डरते थे हम लोग. मतलब father is a very scary thing for us. So I told my grandmother, my aunties, बुआ लोगों को सबको बताया. My grandmother said, किसी को बताना मत, घर में पूरा कलेश हो जाएगा, खून की नदियाँ बह जाएगी, ये सब हुआ करके.
Because the
Because it
perpetrator
was very
was.
obvious, because यहाँ पे ऐसे दांत गड़ा के खाना, जैसे लिटरली कोई काट लिए, फ्लैश उठ जाना, घाव हो गया था मेरे बॉडी में. तो वो सब हुआ. एंड आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ फूड, आई एम वेरी फूडी पर्सन. तो मेरी दादी बोलती थी, हम रात को आलू बेसन की सब्जी बनाएंगे और पूड़ी बनाएंगे, खीर बनाएंगे, तुम किसी को मत बताना. आई वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है. तो बहुत बुद्धू थी मैं. तो हाँ, वो सब चीज़ें कभी-कभी बहुत डर लगता है. मैं अभी भी नींद में बड़बड़ाती हूँ, बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे मैंने कभी रियलाइज़ नहीं किया, मेरा कोई भी वीडियो नहीं बना नींद नींद में. माय हस्बैंड यूज्ड टू से लाइक तुम बहुत कभी-कभी इतने, मतलब इफ आई एम वेरी टायर्ड और आई एम इमोशनली वेरी डाउन, सो आई विल डेफिनिटली स्पीक इन द नाइट, और लाइक मैं उठ जाती हूँ, चिल्ला के बैठ जाती हूँ, कुछ ऐसा होता है. एंड I remember when I was in 8th standard, this incident happened. It was raining, and it was that घर was it was outside, outhouse था. So I was sleeping with that person, and I didn't even know that person will do all this shit with me. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
So
The
so
word is not as horrible as what happened to you.
that was horrendous night, I will say. And it was raining, and that's why after that day, the rain is kind of a favorite and secure thing. The moment I listen to rain, I'll sleep very nicely, because I remember I was just looking at the rooftop and the noise of the rain.
It
I was
drowned
thinking,
everything else.
yes, and I didn't hear anything, I didn't feel anything. I was kind of, I forgot everything what was happening in the morning when I could not take bath, because ऐसा लग रहा था पूरी बॉडी में ऐसे सुई चुभ हो रहे हैं, because my whole body was with bite marks, and ऐसे नाखून ये सब हो गया था. तो yeah, after that I'm very close to rain. And अभी भी कभी भी बारिश होता है ना, तो मेरे हस्बैंड को बिना ऐसी को बंदा बेचारा सो नहीं पाता है. तो if it's raining, he will definitely make sure he'll switch off the AC, he'll open the windows, and he'll say sleep.
This is why I tell you, you're one of the most fascinating peoples in my life. That's what I told you a couple of weeks ago. No one has ever fascinated me the way you have. Most people, when they go through a trauma, they associate smell, noise, or colors with it, and they tend to run from it
Yeah,
for
I
the rest
do.
of their lives.
I do.
You, on the other hand, well, something as horrible as this was happening to you while you were still not aware of your own, body
Yeah, correct.
biologically, and you chose to look at something and to hold on to it, and you survived it. And the reason why you're so able to talk about it without any kind of, you know, I don't know, I mean, any kind of glib on your face, it's because you really, really held on to the rain that night.
या डेफिनेटली एंड अभी भी कभी-कभी मतलब ऐसा फ़ील होता है कि बिकॉज़ व्हेन आई वाज़ गेटिंग मोलेस्टेड व्हेन आई वाज़ इन स्टैंडर्ड 3 दैट पर्सन यूज्ड टू ईट पान. So every other people in my life, they know that they will not eat pan next to me because मेरे हाथ पैर ऐसे-ऐसे काँपने लगते हैं एंड आई ट्राई टू लाइक नो कहीं पे बोलते प्लीज़ पान मत खाओ, प्लीज़ पान मत खाओ एंड और फिर अगर न्यू कंस्ट्रक्टेड बिल्डिंग होता है ना जहाँ सीमेंट और पानी और आयरन का वो जो एक मिक्स स्मेल होता है दैट वो डर लगता है. तो व्हेन यू सेड दैट द स्मेल एंड ऑल दिस थिंग haunts me and I want to get out of it. And I told my husband that if somebody is good in like past life regression and can do a good counseling, I want to go and come over it because मैं नहीं चाहती मैं उतना डरूं भी because हाँ मैं अभी रोती नहीं हूँ because I had the session of love heals का प्रोग्राम एक हो रहा था ट्रांसजेंडर के लिए. So I attend that session for 2 days and it gave me lot of strength to fight against it and I am not carrying that baggage anymore. That's why I'm able to talk about it. और else पहले जब मैं इसके बारे में बात करती थी मैं बहुत फंबल करती थी, डर लगता था, मैं पानी पी रही हूँ, स्वेटिंग कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इट वो दिमाग में
You're
फिर से
replaying
चलने
it in
लगता
your
है.
mind, right?
तो हाँ तो उसके बाद थोड़ा बेटर हो गया पर हाँ आई जस्ट वांट टू डोंट वांट टू इवन लाइक मुझे मुझे ऐसा बनना है कि मेरे साइड में कोई पान भी खा रहा है मुझे फ़र्क ना पड़े. पर अभी हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत है तो आई थिंक वक़्त के साथ निकल जाएगा.
Yeah, I am, for a moment, I am at loss of words. I don't know how to reach out to you, that part of your life, and, console you, hug you, and tell you you are, it was not your fault. Of course, you know this. I mean, you were not even of age. Doesn't matter that even if you were of age, it would
No,
still not be a problem, or it still would not be a fault of yours. But
it's actually nobody's fault. It is about that sick mentality people who doesn't even understand what will happen to this child and उनको नहीं पता है कि एक बच्चे की पूरी ज़िंदगी ये हंट होगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि आप बच्चे क्यों नहीं अडॉप्ट करते हो, बच्चा क्यों नहीं अडॉप्ट करते हो. आई एम स्केर्ड फॉर दिस बिकॉज़ कहीं पे भी बच्चे खेल रहे होंगे ना, मैं 1 सेकंड के लिए रुक जाती हूँ, मैं वहाँ पे देखती हूँ कोई उनको गंदी तरह से देख तो नहीं रहा है, छू तो नहीं रहा है. इवन बच्चे अपने माँ-बाप के पास होंगे मैं
you'll feel paranoid.
यस, अगर कोई बच्चा अपने बाप के गोद में बैठा ना आई विल लाइक मुझे थोड़ा अजीब-सा फ़ील होता है, क्यों उधर बिठाया है? व्हाट ही थिंकिंग?
Hmm.
आई एम लाइक रेस्टलेस तो मुझे पता है मैं एक बच्चा अडॉप्ट करूँगी तो मैं
You'll
ज़िंदगी
never
खराब
be
कर
able
दूँगी
to.
उस बच्चे की. आई एम लाइक कंप्लीटली ऑन हिज़ और हर हेड सो
No, but I really appreciate you being so candid and honest with us. People take lifetimes to come out of these kind of traumas,
इट
and
इज़.
talk about them is even not in an option in the list. And you coming out and talking about it makes me feel proud that I am a woman too,
Yeah,
right? And we share
you are
that
a good friend
womanhood.
of mine, so I can speak my heart out. I when I'm talking to you, there are people around me, right?
Hmm.
So I don't feel they're sitting. I feel like I'm talking to Tanya. So
So I hope whoever is listening to us right now, they take away the message that you're not alone, and whatever happens or whatever has happened was never your fault. Doesn't matter the circumstances, doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter who you are or where you were or who you were with. It was not your fault, period. But coming back to you again, coming back to the positive accomplishments that you have had in your life, let's talk about Odyssey.
oh, okay.
I have seen you perform Odyssey, and I was in awe with you.
Thank
I
you.
we were waiting for you with with bated breath. Thank you so much for inviting us to that show, and I was waiting for you for with bated breath that she's going to come and she's going to perform. And I've never seen something like this, and I kept waiting, and you never came. And then I started becoming heartless, or maybe I've missed your performance. And then I saw you backstage,
Okay.
and then you told me, my piece is up next.
Yes.
And then I saw you, and I only saw you, might I add, and there were so many other people on the
Yes,
stage.
it was a group dance.
It
Yes.
could be my bias towards you because I know you and I love you so much, but you were outstanding. So you've come across, do you like challenges, Samikya? I mean, at this
It's
point of
not
time.
challenge. It was my childhood dream to. I have. When I was a kid, I decided what I have to do. I remember I want to become a woman who can dance, classical dance, and especially Odissi, because that time इतना knowledge नहीं था. हमें पता था ओडिसी डांस होता है उड़ीसा में. तो I want to dance. I wanted to be a very good dancer. It doesn't matter लोग कोई मुझे देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा है. मैं नाच रही हूँ, मुझे अच्छा
Oh,
लग
I
रहा है.
know that part, yes.
So it doesn't matter मेरे सामने ऑडियंस है नहीं है. मैं जब अपने आप को देखूं, आई शुड बी डांसिंग. ओके, हाँ ठीक है, आई एम जस्टिफाइंग इट. सो एंड मेरा एक ड्रीम था. तो मुझे तब पता नहीं था कौन से पोस्ट में इस गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, द वाइट एम्बेसडर विद दिस रेड वाला लाइट. सो मुझे ये था कि मुझे ये करना है, पर वो नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज उसके लिए बहुत कुछ पढ़ना पड़ता है. एंड जब तुम अपने आप से ही फाइट कर रहे हो दैट वेदर यू आर मैन और वुमन, हाउ डू यू हैव टू ड्रेस, क्या पहनना है, क्या खाना है, कैसे चलना है, कैसी बात करना है, एवरी टाइम हैव टू प्रिटेंड लाइक अ मैन. हाँ मुझे बताओ, हाँ हम. यू कांट डू एवरी टाइम, राइट? तो पढ़ाई तो जाता है तिलंडे में. पर हाँ, अभी नाउ आई एम इन अ पोजिशन वेयर आई एम सिटिंग विद chief secretary sir, special secretary sir. I'm
Oh, I was
sitting in
going to come
secretary.
to that कि वो सफेद एम्बेसडर की लाल बत्ती ना हुई तो क्या हुआ,
तो
बट यू
हाँ,
वर्क फॉर द
सफेद
गवर्नमेंट.
सफेद बुलेरो वगैरह में तो बैठ के घूम रही हूँ अभी गवर्नमेंट गाड़ी में.
So tell us a little more about your work with the government.
3-4 months back, I was working as city mission manager, where I used to work for all marginal community people who are staying in slums. Like you have your Mission Shakti groups, SAG groups, self-help group. You have your street vendors who do vending on the street. We have beggars home, government beggars home, rescue centers, and Ahar centers. I used to manage those in Southwest Zone of Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation. I worked there for 3.5 years. So in 3 months back, I just got a call from Department Housing and Urban Development, and there was a meeting, and they used to ask like, what happened in what is happening in transgender community, why people are not interested in work. I said, sir, like they are scared because एक साल बाद कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म होगा, they are back to prostitution or back to begging. तो बेटर है वो बेगिंग ही करते रहे ना, तो क्यों बेकार आएंगे. अगर आप हाँ उनको एक सिक्योरिटी दोगे कि हाँ जॉब है, आप उनके पास घर है, आप बोल रहे हो डोंट डू बेगिंग, यू आर सेइंग डोंट डू प्रोस्टिट्यूशन, तो करेंगे क्या, वो खाएंगे क्या. एक बंदा 10,000 आपकी सैलरी दोगे, एंड 10,000 में वो सेविंग कितना करेगा, हाउ मच दैट पर्सन विल स्पेंड टुवर्ड्स हार्मोन थेरेपी, हाउ मच दैट पर्सन विल सेव फॉर सर्जरी, घर कितना भेजेगा. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दे हैव टू डू प्रोस्टिट्यूशन. एंड वेदर यू गिव देम अ जॉब, एक घर दे दो, खाना दे दो, जॉब दे दो, अच्छा सैलरी दे दो, दे विल स्टॉप डूइंग इट. और एल्स लेट देम डू. एंड इन अदर वे आप ऐसा कर सकते हो, आप उनको अच्छा जॉब दो, आप उनको उनका काम करने के लिए मत रोको. लेट देम डू प्रोस्टिट्यूशन, लेट देम डू बेगिंग. जो बधाई कर रहे हैं उनके, जो भी एंसेस्टर कर रहे थे ट्रांसजेंडर उनके, तो करने दो.
Mm-hmm.
जब वो वो बंदिया के जॉब करेगी, एक
She'll
ऑफिस में
see the
बैठेगी.
shift, yes.
Yes, now she will understand what is dignity is, what is respect is. तीसरे दूसरे 1-2 महीने बाद जब वो अपने जगह पे जाएगी रास्ते के किनारे खड़ी होने, तब वो एक बार सोचेगी कहीं मेरा बॉस ना जाए, कोई देख ना जाए मैं
ऑफिस का
जॉब
कोई
करके
कलीग तो
यहाँ
नहीं
ये
है.
सब करती हूँ. तो ऑटोमेटिकली शी विल शिफ्ट. And the best thing about it is housing and urban development is making transgender hostels and planning housing for them. So, and people who are working with HNUD, they will definitely get the benefit directly. So, people are interested. We just hired 11 more trans men and trans women last month. So, we are planning to appoint them in different places. And we currently are working 180 around people are working for HNUT. In only housing and urban development, people are working.
Right.
The other transgenders who are working, and people are yes changing. And this is my job now. I'm in transgender cell member, so
But there is a
working.
shift in the power dynamics of the government of Odisha now, and
I hope this new government will support transgenders, and they will like carry forward whatever is happening for them. So I'm very positive about it.
but while working for government for so many years now, you might have developed your own vision for the community. If I may ask you, आने वाले 5 साल में where do you see want to see your community standing in the society? What would be it?
Currently, we are two people working in Kharbal Bhavan Secretariat, the extended one. So I want every floor should have transgenders because I want my community should be there everywhere where लोगों को यूज़ टू हो जाए, लोग घूम के ना देखें क्योंकि हम 2 जब जॉइन किए थे खारवेल भवन, पीपल यूज्ड टू लाइक देख, देख, देख। इट्स लाइक ऐसे एक-दूसरे बैठ के ऐसे टिक-टिक करेगी, ऐसे करते हैं। हम लोग इतने अंधे भी नहीं
Oh,
है
the
जब
first time I saw you, I didn't do tuk tuk. I was like, she's so pretty.
ऐसे ऐसे बोलते, देखो, देखो माइट बी हम हमें देखने के लिए ऐसे कर रहे होंगे। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ द मेंटालिटी बट हाँ, ऐसे बोलते हैं। नाउ दे आर ओके, दे डोंट लुक एट अस। जब हम ऑफिस जाते हैं ऐसे घूम के कोई नहीं देखता क्योंकि देखने से आपको पता चल जाए कौन आपको प्रेज़
किस
कर रहा है
नज़र से
एंड
देख रहा
हाँ,
है।
किस नज़र से आप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। पहले वो क्यूरियोसिटी था कि कौन है, कौन है? अभी क्यूरियोसिटी नहीं, बोले हाँ, आज क्या पहन के आई है? कितनी सुंदर लग रही है, ऐसा लगता है।
Right. So, Samikhya, when I see some members of your community standing on the traffic light, um, while I had a job here in the city, I used to take a route every day through Nalco Square. And there was this very pretty, and she had a bun and she had a huge bindi, and she was like all kinds of pretty. And she would be there, and every day for some time, my auto would stop there at the traffic, and I don't know, it was just because of the frequency of, looking at each other. We started smiling at each other. And later on, it went on to she would come to the auto. She wouldn't even ask me for anything, knowing that I would obviously give her something. Sometimes I used to have some, change of cash on me. I would give it to her. Sometimes it would be a chocolate. I also ran out of everything, so I gave her my earrings. Like, she told me what you're wearing is very pretty, so I took it off and I gave it to her. Of course, they were artificial, not that rich. So, but
But it's not about artificial because people don't give that also. It depends on how big your heart is. That's the
and
thing.
like a couple of months later, and I became used to seeing her every day, and she coming to me and saying hi and how are you, and I stopped seeing her, and that bothered me. I won't say it bothered me every day or every moment of the day. It bothered me for the 30 seconds that I would stop at the traffic. It really bothered me because like you said, जब हम किसी भी ट्रांसजेंडर को देखते हैं, and because you've been so candidly open with us, this only commands that I be honest. हम जब भी किसी ट्रांसजेंडर को देखते हैं, the first thing we think of, अच्छा सेक्स वर्कर्स होंगे,
Correct.
right? And my brain went into all kinds of haywire, right? Did she get into some trouble? Did she get into some like bad guy company? Has somebody done something to, but there was nothing positive about it, whatever I was thinking those 30 seconds that I would stop at the traffic. A few days later, I saw her again. She was leaner than before. Yeah, and she was not that glamorous. She didn't have that same glow on her face. And we stopped there, and I told the auto wala, could you take it aside? And could you park your vehicle aside? I would like to talk to her. And I spoke to her. For the first time, I spoke to her for 5 minutes. And I asked her, why weren't you here like for the past couple of weeks or past couple of days? And she said, yeah, there is someone else who comes at the same time, and she's a little more dominant. And she, like tries to, she thinks I'm a competition, and she doesn't allow me to, beg in this area. And I have heard her talk in phrases in English, and that quite, intrigued me to think that she might have had some elementary level of education. And so I went on to ask her, "You seem educated to me. I don't know what level of education you've had, but you seem educated to me. Why don't
Mhm.
you try finding some job that, entails your education?" And she didn't reply. She replied with a question: "Would you give me a job?"
That's correct.
And I had no answer to that. Not because I am not someone who has openings for job, but because even if I did, would I actually hire a transgender? That was the question she was asking when I got it. So I smiled at her, I gave her the money that I owed her, and then I told her, will I see you again tomorrow? And she said, only tomorrow will tell. And I haven't seen her till date after that day.
Okay.
But every time, we stop at a traffic post, I look for her. that maybe, she's not getting a competition here, she might be here, and she might remember me from that Nalco Square, and she might, wave at me. And so, what at this point bothers me is that we have categorized people into so many subsets. पहले तो सिर्फ मर्द और औरत था, अभी हमने मर्द औरत एक तीसरा भी है, एंड फिर उस तीसरे में भी
LGBTQIA+.
नॉट ओनली दैट, बट वो जो एक पूरा तीसरा कैटेगरी है उसमें भी हम देख रहे हैं कौन एजुकेटेड है, कौन थोड़े अच्छे घराने से आया है, ठीक है, कौन हु वाज डिस्कार्डेड राइट एट बर्थ, ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड that is somehow not sitting well with a lot of people like me. I would like a world where I see all humans as humans, right, irrespective of their identity, irrespective of the crisis they are
Correct.
going through. But tough times, and I'm happy I have you as a friend, right? But Samikya, how is life treating you right now?
Life is treating good. Enjoying my life. I just had Roger and 3 days outing with friends. तो हाँ, लाइफ में मतलब हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ वरीज तो लगे रहते हैं, तो दैट शुड नॉट इम्पैक्ट माई पॉजिटिविटी एंड व्हाट आई थिंक फॉर पीपल, हाउ आई बिहेव विद पीपल. हाँ, बैक ऑफ माइंड कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है कि हाँ, एंड एवरी ह्यूमन हैज समथिंग, जॉब को लेके, फाइनेंशियल, फैमिली, कुछ ना कहीं चलता रहता है. बट येस, टच वुड, आई एम हैप्पी एंड फैमिली इज देयर and friends are there. I have a good job, good life.
Midnight
Enjoying.
coffee sessions.
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Samikya, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I want to see myself in next 5 years. Next 5 years, I think I'll be doing something for my community, or any other marginal people who wants help. I would love to help them, and I think I'm not a I don't have big dreams.
Mhm.
All my dreams have came true, except that one, that red light wala car. Other things I got it. So I'm not a very greedy person. Now I just have to thank to God that He gave me whatever I wanted. अभी कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए नहीं लाइफ से. बस लाइफ ऐसे बनती रहे, कभी कभी शॉपिंग करते रहो, थोड़ा बहुत खरीदते रहो, साड़ी, कपड़े, ज्वेलरी, और अच्छा खाना खाते रहो, लोगों से मिलो, बातें करो, खा पी के आराम से सो जाओ. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं. आई एम एंजॉइंग काइंड ऑफ रिटायरमेंट वाला लाइफ. ऑफिस जाओ, ऑफिस में काम करो, फिर घर आओ, मतलब अपना प्रैक्टिस करो 1-1.5 घंटा. दोस्त लोगों से मिलना है तो जाके कॉफ़ी शॉप में लोगों से मिलो, बात करो, and that's all. And when I want to grow old, after my retirement, I want to build a very secluded and very forest wala farmhouse, and where there'll be like lot of domestic animals like cow, goats, and all. I want to have lot of dogs around, cats around, and spend my old days there.
Do share your PIN code with me.
Definitely, I will.
You never know, I might drop in once in a while.
Sure. Me and my husband were deciding that we'll keep one side open for friends. We'll have 3-4 bedrooms so that our friends can come over, because will be old. We can't go every time to the city, because we're planning it like 2-3 hours away from city. So
Sounds like a plan.
yes.
Hope to God, cross my heart, that all your dreams, whatever dreams you still have, in your kitty, they all may come true. So this was a lovely session.
I also loved it, because मैं इतना openly नहीं बात की. I have given interviews in media lines बहुत 2-3 बार, because I don't like give interviews. Podcast is different, but in giving interview, people give so, I don't know from where did they get all these thoughts in their mind. They're so frustrated in their life. They give so bad comments, and when I read those, I was like, it impacts me. Like,
I
why
can't
people?
promise कि इस episode के बाद we might not receive negative
We will
comments.
definitely give people,
But
because
we are okay with that. There should
I'm
always be a
okay. I'm
parallel
okay.
narrative
तो
to everything.
पहली बार मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. Then I was like, नहीं, इन लोगों को it's not relevant what I'm talking. तुम जिस सवाल पे मेरे को बोल रहे हो, मैंने उस ऐसे बारे में कुछ बात ही नहीं की, मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं. तुम ऐसे बोल रहे हो, मतलब you are somewhere frustrated in your life which to take out your frustration. Then also I'm happy, I God bless you that I'm able to help you to take out your frustration. Do whatever you want.
No, but
So I
I
don't read
really
comments.
wanted you on board with me on this episode or on with tea with Tanya. You know, we've had longer conversations than this. Telephone पे हमने इससे ज़्यादा बात की हुई है, right? And we've met, we have shared both our lives with each other, and our vices,
Yes.
our good qualities, our
Yes.
regrets, everything. But I really wanted to show you to the world. You're somebody who fascinates me so much. I really thought if through me other people could also get fascinated by you, that you're not defined by the struggles you go through. You are defined by who you want to be at the end of the day.
Yes,
You can
struggle
go
will be
through,
there.
but I was honestly, honest to God, I was not prepared for this conversation at all. And I can't thank you enough. And this has to mean something to all or everybody who's watching out there. A person who is a woman by birth and a person who is a woman by rights, right? And we both felt the same pain when you talked about your struggles, your pain, your and I would never wish them on somebody even if I hate them, and you totally did not deserve any of that. But I mean, as much as I love you, I cannot take away your problems, but um, I'm so thankful to you. And I hope everybody else who's been watching us, you liked the episode as much as I loved it. And do give Samikhya a lot of love. She's a
Thank you so
fantastic
much.
person. I mean, this was just the trailer of how she is. She is a fantastic human to hang out with. And there's so much you can learn from her. The way she carries herself in social settings, or the way she talks about herself with such conviction. And I'm so blessed to have you in my life. And
Me too.
thank you so much, Samikhya. And I will.
And we forgot one thing. This is tea with Tanya. हमारी चाय ठंडी हो रही है, हमने चाय नहीं पी.
Yes. So we will continue with our cup of tea. And you guys do not forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share. Do keep watching Tea with Tanya for more such happening episodes with such more lovely people on board with us. Thank you and see you next time.